Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create paper burn effects for your content. Open Adobe After Effects. Add paper image. Recompose it. Now add a solid layer. Recompose it. Next, open the composition. Apply CC Burn Film Effect. Next, add keyframe to burn. Adjust burn and random seed. Create a new composition. Add solid comp. Apply Find Edges effect. Select Invert. Select Numa Matte Solid Comp for image composition. Add comp in the main composition. Apply VC Color Vibrance effect. Let's change the color. Okay. Apply Brightness and Contrast effect. Adjust properties. Perfect. This way you can create paper burn effects for your content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.